Hotel Tonight Honest Review. Look before you search for hotel. Booking a last-minute hotel can be stressful, and most people get this wrong. They assume options will be limited or expensive. Hotel Tonight is an app designed for last-minute hotel bookings, offering deals and curated options in cities worldwide. The surprising truth is how easy it is to find quality accommodations quickly. You won't believe how much money and time you can save. Here's how it works. Open the app, enter your destination, and Hotel Tonight shows available rooms for the night or upcoming days. Results include photos, amenities, ratings, and pricing, making it easy to compare options. For example, a traveler arriving late in New York can secure a well-reviewed hotel downtown within minutes, often at discounted rates. The app also features hot rate deals, which provide lower prices at select hotels if you're flexible. Most people get this wrong. They assume flexibility means sacrificing quality, but Hotel Tonight carefully vets all partner hotels. Another advantage is speed. You can book and receive confirmation within minutes, eliminating the hassle of traditional booking sites or calling multiple hotels. However, there are considerations. Availability depends on demand, so popular destinations may have limited options during peak seasons. Most people assume the app guarantees inventory everywhere. It doesn't, but it usually finds good alternatives. In conclusion, Hotel Tonight is an excellent tool for travelers needing last-minute accommodations. It's fast, reliable, and often more affordable than standard bookings, making it perfect for spontaneous trips or unexpected travel plans. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of travel apps and hotels.